Denominators the same? No. Let's look at the bigger number, 16. Can we multiply anything times 8 to get a 16? Yes. So our common denominators are 16. This fraction is already in 16ths, so we're just going to copy it over. This one will actually have to get an equivalent fraction. 8 times 2 is 16. 5 times 2 would be the equivalent 10, 16ths. Pull over the whole number. The top number is bigger, that's good. We don't have to rename this at all. So we're going to keep our denominator, subtract our numerators, subtract our whole numbers, and see if we can reduce or simplify our fraction. Are both of the numbers even? Well, yes, they are. 2 is going to work, but you might be able to think of a bigger number that will divide into both 4 and 16. 4 will work, so we're going to divide this, both top and bottom, by 4. Let's just pull over our whole number and then start the division. 4 divides into 4 one time. 4 divides into 16 4 times. Here we have a fraction with 1 on the top. It's in lowest terms. Common denominators? Nope. Let's take the 8ths line. Can we do anything to 6 to make it 8? No. 16. 6 times anything 16? No. 24. 6 times anything 24? Yes. 24 is our denominator. Both of these fractions have to have equivalent fractions. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 2 is 8. Pull over the whole number. 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 6 is 18. Pull over the whole number. The denominators are good, but the top fraction is too small to take away 18. So we're going to have to rename 55, and the one that we're renaming, we're going to call it 24 24ths, because that's what we need. Add these two numerators together to get the combine. You renamed 24, and you had 8 already. So now that makes it 32. 32 24ths. Pull over your whole number. This just gets copied into position. Keep your denominator, subtract your numerators. 14 24ths. And subtract your whole numbers. 43 and 14 24ths. I'm just going to move that over here so we have a little bit more room. The denominators have to follow these rules because 14 is smaller than. Are they both even? Yes, they are. 2 will work. Can you think of a number that's in the 4s line for 14 and 24? Nope, 14 is not in the 4s line. 14 is not in the 6th line either. And 14 is not in the 8th line. So we would have to divide this by 2. That would be our lowest common denominator at this point. So we're going to pull over our whole number. 2 divides into 14 7 times. 2 divides into 24 12 times. And now we're going to make sure that this is in lowest terms. So we're going to go back over our rules again. Are they both even numbers? No. Zeros or fives? No. Twin double digits? No. Will 3 or 9 divide into both 7 and 12? No. Will 7 divide both into 7 and 12? No. The prime numbers that I have listed are all larger than the 7 and the 12, so those won't work either. That's in lowest terms.